Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook to another email. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox. Just wait a moment while everything loads up properly. Once your emails have loaded, you'll want to navigate to your inbox pane. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, find the specific email message you want to copy and paste into another email. Once you've located it, double-click on it to open the email in a new window. Opening it this way gives you a full view of the message and makes it easier to select everything. Now that the email is open, you need to select all of its content. To do this, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will highlight and select everything in the email, including text, images, and any formatting. You'll see the entire message become highlighted, which means it's ready to be copied. Next, right-click anywhere on the highlighted email message. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Copy. This action copies all the email content to your clipboard, preserving everything from the original message, including images, hyperlinks, and formatting. With your email content now copied, it's time to move to a different email platform. For this tutorial, we'll use Gmail as an example, but you can use any email service you prefer. Open Gmail in a new browser tab and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top left part of your screen and click on Compose. This will open a new email composition window where you can create your message. The composition window gives you a blank canvas to work with. Now comes the easy part. In the email composition window, simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboards to paste the email content you copied earlier. You'll immediately see all the email content appear in the composition window, complete with every element the original email contains. This includes images, hyperlinks, formatting, and any other media that was part of the original message. Everything transfers over exactly as it appeared in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully copied an email from Outlook and pasted it into another email platform, maintaining all the original formatting and content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.